there's so many of you. I'm sure you can do so much better than that. Let's try this one more time, Howlers. Everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Alright, much better. Right, so by the way, my name is Jamaica and I am a Raptor Ranger. Right, and my bias right there. Look at her, what a beauty she is. Well, Susie has been with us for more than 26 years. A true Raptor indeed. Now she is a female raptor and all females are larger and heavier than the males. And of course she is no exception. And take a look at her sharp beaks and talons, which makes her an unmatched hunter.
That's right, Journey. Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms. And yet, flying at high speed, she is able to lift prey that can weigh up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
Oh, Sean, that's very impressive. Now here's another impressive fact about bald eagles, is that they build really huge nests. Did you know that their nests can go all the way up to 10 feet how big their nest can be? Right, and it can even go up to 20 feet tall, which is about 4 times my height. It's a very big nest, right, Shama?
Yes, indeed, Joe. A very big nest for a very big eagle. And I believe Susie has done well. It is time for her to head back home. And home is right to her trainer. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, let's get up for Susie, American Bald Eagle. In Southeast Asia, and one of the
for venomous sea snake.
Oh, speaking of sea snakes, Joe, I have a rabbit of such great rider with me. And Nelson is up on a tree. He's got a good vantage point. And here we go. Diving down. Right.
Oh, that was an amazing catch, but it was quite fast. So for those of you who missed it, not to worry, we have a replay. Take a look. And that time is done. How about a louder round of applause for Nelson of a white-bellied sea eagle?
And that is why everyone, the white-bellied sea eagle is one of my favorite birds of prey. Spot in the skies of Singapore.
Well, right, Chabal, that is another raptor that we can all commonly find in Singapore as well. Right, and that bird is the Brahminy kite. So ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Rado! And watch this! Wow! Look at that! Amazing catch! So Brahminy kites, they are agile and maneuverable in flights. Very adaptive hunters. Oh, that was a beautiful kite, sir! Would you all like to see that one more time? Yes or no? Alright, one more time, shall we? Okay, Rado, whenever you are ready, right this way. Here it comes, everyone. Watch, up, and there we go! Well, Brahminy kites are medium-sized raptors, as you can see, but do not let their size fool you. These birds are more than capable of stealing and snatching prey away from a bird as big as the white
To as far as Africa. It is a perilous journey and thousands never make it to their destination.
Now many around the world are being killed for sport, and we would need your help to save and protect these birds, or our skies would soon be ours.
Our Malay fish owl and the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silent flight.
Oh, speaking of silent flight, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more owl joining us on stage. Right, but in order for that to happen, I would need all of your help to please remain seated and be as quiet as possible. Now we are about to witness an almost unique ability of silence. I'm pretty sure none of you had anything on his radar. Am I right? Can we give him a round of applause? This is Latte. Nicely done. Well, owls are capable of silent spiders because they have really soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So that helps them to alter air turbulence and even absorb warmth, making their flight as quiet as peace. But not only that, owls also have excellent eyesight. In fact, they have binocular vision just like us.
And talking about eyes, the colors of their eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. The owls with yellow color eyes like Latif and Maya here, they hunt during the day. The orange eyes means they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. And now the one last level of lovely owls as they head back to their trainers. All the way back home. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Latif and Maya, our lovely Malay fish owls.
Okay, Latif, one last flight all the way back home. And there we go. The vulture and sometimes on carrion. So ladies and gentlemen, from the South and Central America, let's welcome Raul, our southern crested caracara. Good afternoon. Well, this is an unusual bird of prey. Like uses its long legs to forge through the ground skillfully.
When making use of their long limbs, these birds are able to roll over the rocks, flip over big rocks, and even strip aside wood chips in search of their prey that's hiding underneath. And not only that, they sometimes raid nests and even steal food from other birds as well. Now, being an autistic scavenger is a very common sight to see the southern crested caracaras, among others like this. There you go.
Shama,
Yes.
that's not very impressive. I want to see higher.
You want to see higher? Okay, let's try higher.
Look, Raul's from impressed with it as well.
Okay, we shall do it one more time. Okay, roll. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and
Wow,
up we go.
that's what I'm talking about. Okay, taking it away slowly all the way right over here. Come on. All right, on the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3, all the way up. Hello. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, come. Follow me this way. Yes, what are you looking at? Okay, come on, Ron, let's not get distracted. Right down here. Okay, one last jump all the way up and vertical flight. There we go! Let's get people Very, very cheeky. All we have done one free jump roll. Let's feel a little game. And let's give him a big hand round of very cheeky South Western Caracara. Rollers circling around the skies with ominous music and a sense of impending doom. And we are here to tell you the real story.
The vultures are nature's clean-up crew. They use columns of air to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their
Our turkey vulture! Now coming all the way from the Americas, these are one of the few birds with a finely tuned sense of smell.
That means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. And other vultures, especially the big ones, will follow suit. They will do the hard work of ripping apart the top part of the dead animal.
Well, here's another fun fact about turkey vultures. They have really acidic stomach acid. Right? It is as strong as car batteries, and that helps them to digest carrion very, very well. And you know what? I can see now here's done a wonderful job. Let's give her a big hand. And hold this back to your trainer. Well, these are the middleweights who feeds on the flesh and organs of the carcass. They are social and yet aggressive feeders. about a group of 100 African white-eyed vultures can strip a large carcass right down to its bones in less than 5 minutes. But once widely found in Africa, these birds are right now critically endangered.
So moving on, we have the ligaments and height of the animal. Enter the Cinereus vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary except for their mate and have chicks, and they prefer to feed on a carcass in a smaller group. Now our male right over there has a strong gripping beak with sharp talons and beak, which helps to rip apart the top part of the animal to be chunks of flesh.
Well, last but not least, we have 2 more scavengers joining us on stage. Alright, so if everyone is all set and ready, keep your eyes right up there! Again, one more from this side as well! Well, everyone meets our barber stops from Africa. These birds, they have dagger-like beaks and a stern old
The big scavengers are able to cooperate and coexist well with vultures, especially during the big feast. Now, ladies and gentlemen, about 11 species of vultures in Africa make up to 70% of the continent's area. We would all be in a lot of trouble without the vultures.
Well, Sharon, that is very true. We will all be in trouble. But you know what? Unfortunately, we are actually losing these amazing birds around the world at an alarming rate due to various reasons caused by human activities like poaching, deforestation, deliberate poisoning, and even superstitious beliefs. Many of these birds, they are right now critically endangered, and your conservation efforts will be the only way we can save them from extinction. They do their parts in helping us keep our environment safe and clean. I think they deserve a lot more appreciation than that, right? So can we please give them a louder round of applause?
Well, today we met raptors and scavengers, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth are part of our ecosystem, part of our land. Now if we lose them, we lose part